27th of November 2013, there was a statement from the then Chief Minister. And the statement goes, 2013, sir, the government does not want ILP. We will not have discussion on ILP. How many times have we discussed the issue? This is a statement made by the then Chief Minister in 2013 regarding ILP. But it was this government that agreed to discuss this matter, moved a resolution and passed it. And today now the opposition comes in and asks, what are you doing? So their stand was very clear. They said we don't want ILP. There will not be ILP. But it is this government that took the initiative, we passed the resolution, and we are following up. It shows the intent of this government and the seriousness of what we have regarding the ILP issue. So don't point fingers at us when you know what your stand was earlier.